And here, check the bag. Turn around, please.
There's
Have an Omega night, sir. Thank you.
ticket. Omega Mart right here. Is Meow Wolf worth it? If you have a big bag, you can actually leave it with him and he's gonna keep your bag for you. This is La Croix, right? La Croix. This one, can you actually purchase this? You can buy stuff. $25. That's a lot. Is this really butter? That's so cool. Oh, it's a flask.
Yeah, it's a confidential.
Oh, wow. This is actually a bag. That's cool. Are you stuck? Are you okay?
I know.
Oh, your hand there. Where's the? You have another hand there. Why are you $999? Why is this $9,999? And this is like infinity melon, like 1111. Because it's yeah. Where do we get the employee access pass?
Just that little kiosk right there.
Hi, is this where we get our employee pass?
Yeah. Just to explain it a little better, for $3 you get yourselves an access card. Doesn't unlock any new areas, doors you can't already explore. It's just like a little gameplay on top of the exhibit.
Omega Access. Children, Omega Access card. Access to job training.
There are actually 8 entrances here. It's such a maze. Don't forget the eyes, so we will not forget the eyes. This is the janitor room and we are gonna open it and we'll see. What? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. Wow, this is actually different. It's like, you think it's not, but it's actually another entrance that leads you to this one. This is the slide, but apparently it's closed. Okay. We will go up here. We will see what is upstairs. Oh, you play with music. How's that like? So let's drive this. Oh no. Oh, they make different sounds. Oh, it's time to. We can see everybody. What is everybody doing? So 24 rooms in total, I guess. We will crawl and see where this leads. Okay. Alright. This is another room. But no, there's this thing. It's a hallway. Is there something here? Okay. That's actually really good. Yeah.
That was right. It was hiding in the thing.
Okay, call the last number. It's here.
If you actually get thirsty, don't worry. There's a water fountain here in Meow Wolf.
You look like you need ice cream. Our study showed that this increases customer satisfaction by up to 700%.
No? This is actually just one face, but like you see it, there's like it's a mirror, so it looks like three face. See what's in there. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, there's an effect if you do that. Oh, what? You're just playing games? Oh. What is in here? Hello? Hello? We've been delaying this crawl, but now we shall crawl this thing and we will make it up top, I think, because we saw it a while ago. Okay, we are crawling. Wow, look at this painting. Oh, there's something there? Oh. How is it?
It's phenomenal. It's super cute.
Going in there. This thing is amazing. Wow, it's a whole new world here. Is that a cool shot? Oh, that's lit. Oh, it's so cute. People are crawling there. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, and there's a rope. You have to climb a rope, I guess. Okay, I don't know where it goes, but the rope's helpful. And we are so tiny. This is it. Whee! Is Meow Wolf worth it? I think so. This Omega Mart is something else. You think it's an ordinary grocery store, but it's not really, because you go into mazes that goes everywhere and may lead you to the same space again or a different space, but every room is worth it. Okay, I would think you would spend like 2 hours here if you're gonna go just like quick draw up, and like I think 4 hours is long if you want to be immersive on it. But I just heard from another person they have been here for 8 hours, so I guess it's up to you how long you want to stay here. I guess that's it, and off I go. See you next time.
You guys heading on now?
Yes. Oh, there's no. Thank you. Is this really butter?